And greetings to all. On behalf of the Global Humanity for Peace Institute at the University of Wales, Trinity and St. David, I welcome you to this international webinar, or we call it Symposium. In fact, our collaboration with Ali started when he was UNESCO Chief of History and Dialogue section. Yeah, with Ali, we co-created what we call the Collective Healing Initiative, which is a part of UNESCO's Slave Root project, now called the Roots of Enslaved Peoples. So collective healing for us is now an important aspect of the Institute's research and programs because it contributes directly to a culture of peace. Now, speaking of peace, and as a peace institute, we see peace as an ethically attuned, positive, and holistic notion. And we understand peace as involving multiple dimensions, from the inner spiritual to the social relational to the political economic and now to the ecological. To nurture positive peace, we believe that it requires reconceptualizing governance. Hence, we decided, Ali said, to co-host a series of symposia on the topic with a view to appreciate the rich beauties in the traditional governance practices around the globe. Last May, we collaborated with House Institute to co-host an international symposium on models and practices of direct democracy and a relational approach to governance. This had led to a special issue on the journals of dialogue studies on the centrality of dialogue in governance for human futures. Now, this much anticipated event focusing on traditional African systems of governance. We look forward to learning more about the philosophical, ethical, and spiritual foundations underlying these systems, with a special focus, as Ali already mentioned, on consensual decision-making models. This will no doubt help, we believe, scholars or researchers to advance a conceptual framework for these traditional practices, to be more present in modern governance systems, and for practitioners, policymakers to explore ways to integrate and to advocate the implementations of these practices in global governance. So we feel extremely honored for having this opportunity to listen to the voices of our panelists, as you can see, from global Africa. I thank you all for joining us today and tomorrow. And to start the program, let's welcome today's moderator, Dr. Michael Wangola, who is an oratorist, a performance scholar, and who uses the lens of culture in her work as an artist, academic, and activist. Michael, I turn the program over to you.